welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about white blood cells. So in the previous class we have studied about the blood, and the blood is composed by plasma and cellular components. We have also studied about the function of plasma and different cellular components, and they are red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. And we have also studied about the functions of each cellular component. So the link for the video is given in the description. Please go and watch. So coming to the point, the white blood cells, the main function of white blood cell is to defend against pathogens such as bacteria, virus, which cause disease in our body. So white blood cell is divided into two types. So there are two types of white blood cells. They are granulocytes and agranulocytes. So granulocytes, the main difference of granulocytes and agranulocytes are, so granulocytes contains granules that absorb dyes and gives the color while staining. And agranulocytes contains granules but they does not absorb dyes, and therefore they do not give color while staining. So firstly, there are three types of granulocytes and two types of agranulocytes. So firstly we have three types of granulocytes. They are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. And whereas in the agranulocytes, has two types. They are monocytes and lymphocytes. So let us look at difference in them. Firstly, neutrophils consist of 62%, eosinophils is 2.3% and basophils 0.04%. So the main difference between these three, in the neutrophils, the nucleus is 3 to 5 looped meaning any structure looped. So neutrophil has 3 to 5 looped, 1 2 3 4 5. This is nucleus. So neutrophil has 3 to 5 looped nucleus, and neutrophil stain with neutral dyes. So neutrophil is stain with neutral dyes and gives color while staining. So neutrophil gives color while staining with neutral dyes. And eosinophils has nucleus two loop nucleus. So eosinophil has two looped nucleus, bilooped. 1 2 looped nucleus. And basophil has nucleus three looped. 3 looped nucleus. Basophil has 3 looped nucleus, 1 2 3. So sometimes the nucleus is in S shape. And eosinophils stain dark red with eosin. Therefore neutrophils stain with neutral dyes. Therefore the name is neutrophils. And whereas eosinophils stain dark red with eosin, therefore the name is eosinophils. Basophils look purple in color when stained with Leishman's stain. So let us look at agranulocytes. So agranulocytes has two types. So monocytes and lymphocytes. So monocytes, the nucleus look like half moon, or the nucleus is kidney shaped. Whereas lymphocytes has a large one nucleus. So let us look at the functions of each cells. So firstly, the function of neutrophils. The neutrophils helps in the destructions of bacteria by phagocytosis. Neutrophil is the first responders in our body. So second we have eosinophils. The main function of eosinophil is to engulf bacteria. So thirdly, we have basophils. So the main functions of basophil is to release chemical histamine during inflammatory reactions and also protects from allergic symptoms. So let us look at agranulocytes. uh, the function of monocyte is to protect against blood-borne pathogens. And the lymphocyte is to produce antibodies to attack and destroy virus and bacteria. So for easy remembering of the types of white blood cells, let us memorize this mnemonic. So never let monkey eat banana. So never, N meaning neutrophils. Let L naligasteu lymphocytes and monkey M monocytes. Tele eat E naligasteu eosinophils. Tele banana B basophils. So never let monkey eat banana. So please do remember this and excel in the exam. So let us summarize our lesson briefly. So we have studied about the types of white blood cells. We have two types of white blood cells. They are granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes contain granules that absorb dyes, and agranulocytes contain granules but they does not absorb dyes. So we have three types of granulocytes. They are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. And we have two types of agranulocytes. They are monocytes and lymphocytes. So neutrophils contain 3 to 5 looped nucleus, whereas eosinophils contain 2 looped nucleus and basophils contain 3 looped nucleus. And monocytes contain half moon or kidney shaped nucleus, whereas lymphocytes contain large one nucleus. We have also studied about the different functions of each cells. So the main function of neutrophils is to help in the destruction of bacterial phagocytosis, and the function of eosinophils is to engulf bacteria, and the basophil is to release chemical histamine during inflammatory reactions and also protects from allergic symptoms. So monocytes protects against blood-borne pathogens, whereas lymphocytes produce antibodies to attract and destroy virus and bacteria. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you in the next video. And the note for on this lesson is given in the end of the video. Please go and watch.